I'm Teresa. Welcome to Dazzling in the Kitchen. Today, honey, I want to dazzle you with my Korean sesame seaweed rice balls. That's a whole lot of mouthful, but let me tell you, you're going to want your mouth full of these rice balls. I have to say this, the first time I ever had these at a Korean restaurant, I was like mind blown. Like you just want to go num 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 num, eat them up all the time. So I was like, I need to learn how to make this myself because these need to be in my house like on a regular. All right, so what we're gonna do is get some freshly prepared hot steaming rice. I prefer jasmine rice in my home. It's a nice sticky rice. It'll help hold it together. You can't just go get parboiled rice or anything. That is not gonna work for this recipe because we need something that's gonna stick. You know, like something that you can hold on your chopsticks. All right, so I have prepared 3 cups of white rice. I may not need all of this, but I am making this for a gathering. And I'm making a mess, but that's okay. I'm making this for a gathering, so I do have more than I would probably make at home. All right, now honey, we gotta get this rice seasoned to perfection. I'm gonna start with some of this Korean seaweed lather. It's basically seaweed that's been roasted and brushed with a little bit of sesame oil. Honey, this stuff, this is actually similar to what they wrap sushi with. So it's kind of a similar flavor profile. But we're gonna go ahead, and as a matter of fact, this is the packet. Well, they have all different brands, but this is the one I bought. And I used already, I had 3 packets of these that I already have sitting right here. I may use that last one, but I may not. So we're gonna put these in a bag because we're gonna get these all crushed up. Oh yeah, baby. Crush that. I'm gonna create some seaweed dust. Oh, that looks good. Oh my goodness. All right. We're gonna make some confetti with this seaweed. All right. Y'all, we have some seaweed. All right. Now that we have that ready to go, we're gonna get our rice seasoned up with some salt. Just a little because we are going to be adding some soy sauce as well. We're gonna do a little sugar. I know that might be different for you, but trust me, this flavor just balances out the saltiness of the seaweed and the soy sauce. Honey, this is like nothing you ever had before. So let's do about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Very lightly sweet. All right. I'm gonna do a little soy sauce, just enough to flavor things up. Not too crazy. We don't want it too wet because we want to be able to put this together. This is a lot of rice in my bowl, so just want to make sure. All right, now we're just gonna add a little bit of sesame seed oil. Again, not too much because we do want this to stick together. And we're gonna add a little bit of protein. We got some toasted sesame seeds. I toast mine in a dry skillet. All right. Now here's where the fun. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on because after this, we're gonna, it's gonna get exciting in here. So let's go ahead and get our seaweed in. Oh yeah. I'm gonna mix this up and see if I need to go ahead and add that last bag. I may not. All right. All right, I have my handy dandy rice spatula and we're gonna give that a nice mix. Y'all, it smells magical in here already. And this is just rice. You know what? It feels like it's about that time. I need my hands. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells beautiful. All right, now that everything's combined, this is a good time to take a little taste just to make sure you don't need any extra salt or soy sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Perfect, don't do another thing. So, we do have one more step. Remember, these are rice balls, so we're going to go ahead and get, I don't know why I keep stirring this. So we're gonna go ahead and make our rice balls. I'm using this, you can get an ice cream scoop if you want them perfectly sized. You can eyeball it if you want them to look a little more rustic. I'm gonna use my little scooper rice spatula here so that I can get, you know, pretty much the same size for each and every one. So it's just pretty much that simple. How cute is that? All right. These are such a crowd pleaser, trust me. Now y'all, you can also rally your kids in and they can start making these rice balls, make them clean their hands or give them some little gloves. They'll feel like they really did something. This is a good side to bring the kids in and teach them how to cook. We gotta raise up this next generation of babies. I mean, you know, they can only learn so much from Google. We got to get their hands, you know, I don't want to say get their hands dirty because they're cooking, but, you know, they need to learn how to get it in. We got to raise them babies. All right, honeys, now our rice balls are done, but we've got to make them pretty. So I'm going to dress them up with just a little green onion. I'm going to take the green part of this. You know, you got to have a little garnish. She's not done until she's photograph ready, honey. So here we go. I'm just gonna sprinkle a few of those around. I've got to make about 20 more of these. Again, I'm making these for a party, but I just wanted to make sure we got the YouTube experience, darling. Look at those. They're dazzling me, that's for sure. Thank you for joining me today on Dazzling in the Kitchen. Again, my name is Teresa, and I hope I dazzled you with my Korean rice balls. This is going to be a party in your mouth, my loves. I would love for you to comment, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you want me to try or show you. I'd love to communicate with you. Have a good one. Mwah.